by my side. On my way in the pouring rain. Was it yesterday that you held me tight? For so long I wanted to be close to you. Somewhere in the gentle wind, I hear you calling for who we were then. Plans we made, they begin to fade, but your spirit lingers, it can't help but stay.